Alright, so hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna still do something with Django, but it's gonna not really entire project, not yet. Excuse me. What we're gonna take a look at is this idea of reusable apps. Because what we find out is that we really do authentication a lot, right? We really do authentication a lot, and it will be really helpful if we can even furthermore simplify the process, right? For the authentication. So what we will do is we will start with a reusable app that called QuickAuth for quick authentication using Django. All right, so now I have this QuickAuth open up. Okay, so what we're going to start with is start a virtual environment. All right. I'm just going to read through because I haven't really read the documentation a lot. We're going to build this thing first, I believe. Okay. All right. All right. So let's get started by create our first app. Maybe in here we'll just say start app. Authentication. Oh, sorry. Forgot to install Django. Alright, I will try to keep this video in time of 20 minutes, so not too long. And now let's just start this app authentication. Alright, there we go. So let's go update our settings.py. Okay, let's go build this first. So, okay. Alright, let's see here, just say pass auth. And then here we say import include. Include authentication.urls. Alright. Okay. Now let's create urls.py here. Django.pass, Django.urls, import pass. Right, URL pattern. Actually, the biggest problem for building this kind of application is how do we deal with some of the customized information. Well, maybe we can handle that in different routes completely. Okay. So in here, then what we could say is this. Let's say path first. Gonna have this route called register. Gonna have this route called login, as well as this route called logout. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna do this views.py. So in here, we'll just define register. define login, and define logout view. Right, from Django.os.contrib. It's actually .contrib, right? .os.views. We can import login view. No, wait. Authenticate. The URLs from Django.contrib.os. Okay. So I keep forgetting. Thus I have this handy project set up. So I can take a look. Oh, it's just .os. Okay. Import syndicate. Login. Logout. Okay. Alright. Okay. So what's gonna happen here? If request.method alright. So in here we'll say we're also gonna say from Django.contrib.os.models import user. And in here by default we're just gonna take in a username, an email, and password. That's usually how everything goes. Actually, no, we're gonna even simplify that. We're just gonna take in an email and password. For user, and then here we'll use a bootstrap, right? Maybe here I could just say render request authentication / registered.html. Otherwise, return render request authentication register.html. Alright, log in. I'm gonna really not explain everything in detail because it's like numerous times since we did this. That's why I want to have this up, so we don't have to keep start with every Django series have to start with syndication. And on that, since most of the stuff are redundant now. Okay, but so that's why I want to create a package so you can just use that. Okay. Maybe gonna take a multiple part, but we'll see. Alright, in here we'll say email, get password. And here we'll actually say username equals to email as well. User equals to authenticate. If user is not none, log in the request. And then here say from Django.http import pre-response redirect. else we're just gonna say return render. We're not gonna use any HTTP response because we try to make it a little bit more beautiful than that. And then here we'll just say authentication invalid .html. Otherwise, here we're just gonna say return render. Log out. Okay. All right. What do we need to do now? All right. What do we need to do now? Is we need to create a lot of templates. All right. First, we start with the base.html because I'm often going to use Bootstrap as always. All right, and this is the first time that we'll be actually, at least I think, formally using Bootstrap 5.0 beta. Since they just, I suppose they released it to public. It's released public a while ago, but they formally released it. So it's not 4.5 anymore. And it looks like we don't need to we have one source to worry about, so that's good enough, I suppose. And then here we're gonna copy the JavaScript. Didn't really get copied. There we go. All right, let's say block title and block. Block main. Let's first say do the container first. Cool. Registered .html. Extend /base.html. And in here, we just say registered block main and block. Just show alert to keep it simple. Now, as it changed the overall theme a little bit. All right, let's see. Components. What's accordion? I just wonder what accordion is. Oh, this is accordion. This can be really helpful, I will say, in the near future. All right, let's go ahead and copy this simple green alert. And in here, we'll say register successfully. All right, maybe I will add email verification in the next video. I'm just gonna try to make it up and running. Yeah, I will make it into 2 parts, but let's see. Registered. What other template have we used? Registered HTML. All right, let's go to first form. Oh, it's a major intersectional form. All right, I would like that kind of form. Copy. Paste it right here. They don't even wrap into form anymore. Well, you shall not worry. Alright. Message is gonna be post. Just remember that. Form control, not read only. So let's give a name is password. Email. Let's go big H1, that's it, it's register. And so button type. Alright. Register invalid. Let's do log in first. Log in first. Alright. Log in. That's all the difference we're gonna have. Legitimately, all the difference. Let's do invalid. And invalid is gonna be pretty much the same thing with registered, except it's gonna be danger, I suppose. Okay, let's go ahead and migrate everything. Okay, our first issue, hopefully the final one. Views.register, views.login, views.login. Okay. Start the server up there. Let's try it out. See if register works. Example at example.com. Alright, of course, I forgot CSRF. Okay, one of my New Year goal is actually to count how many unintentional error I'm gonna make. And then make an Excel sheet about it, maybe. That's really interesting. Anyway. Alright, register successfully. Let's log it in. Alright, nice. Redirect here. Log out. Did I return nothing? Or try to HTTP response, man. Oh shoot, I think so. I got view, man. Alright, one more thing, just want to test it out. Raw information, register success. Okay. Incorrect credentials. Okay, I think this is where I will left off for this video. So just set up some of the basic feature. Next video, we're gonna add the email verification because that's another common feature we're gonna have. Yeah, let's have email verification. And then, yes, and then we're going to talk about how to actually deploy this as a reusable app to pip and see if we can work with it. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, please do so, as well as for the subscribe button. And yes, so that's it. Stay safe and have a nice day. All right. DevWithMe out.